Hi guys, welcome back to my channel Escape English. And today I come with a new topic or new concepts that why modern students are disturbing day by day. And they are the educated, but why knowledge among the students is decreasing day by day. Guys, knowledge means life and life means knowledge. And without knowledge, we cannot do anything. Certificate is not a matter. This is only get pass. By using certificate, you can join anywhere, but you cannot do the work. In spite of this, I have noticed most of the students disturbed mentally because why they are disturbing, and this is the reason. And nobody is getting why it's happening and what is the problem happening with them. So most of the people are searching its cause and why modern students are disturbing day by day. Today I want to clarify and what is its reason. Guys, 8 class students, 6 class students, 7 class students and 10 class students are having good car. That is also one cause of the disturbing of mind. If in the teenage students are having good cars, then it will create bad impact to their mind, to their body, to their heart, to their kidney, liver, etc. So when they become unhealthy, they become mentally disturbed. So this is the one reason. Second reason why students are disturbing mentally, guys, and in teenage, plus two students, plus three students, and also even some girls drinking wine. So when they are consuming the wine, slowly, they are mentally disturbed, and they are losing their understanding power, judgment power. They are losing their righteousness. They are not understanding exactly what is good, what is bad, what to do, what not to do, what is wrong, and what is right. In this way, they are involving in the antisocial work like raping, murder, kidnapping, maoism, terrorism, robbery, etc. But I would like to tell you that another reason you might have known, that is consuming of drugs. Nowadays, in the modern time, drugs is a very simple matter. It is moving door to door, college to college, and school to school. So most of the young guys consuming the drugs. So when they are having this kind of substances, they are losing their balance of their mind, their body, they are mentally disturbed, and also they are physically become disturbed. So I would like to tell you that this is the time for us. We should have to understand what is the disturbance happening among the children and why they mentally become disturbed and why education among them is decreasing day by day. Guys, when exam time comes, the students are only focusing on books for few days, but after the exam, they are forgetting whatever they written in the exam and whatever they studied in the exam time. But they are not remembering the lesson and whatever they studied in the college or in the school. So slowly, they become mentally disturbed. So another reason I am telling that mobile excess use of mobile is the cause of the mental disturb. So wherever you go, wherever you stand, and wherever you see, you can notice small baby to then adult guys and old men to old women. Everybody using the mobile. So mobile also cause of the mental disturbance. This is also cause of the many diseases like heart attack, brain hemorrhage, and hair fall, mental disorder, etc. So I would like to tell you that this is the time everybody should aware themselves, and otherwise a day will come we all would be mad and modelment or not mad, and we will lose our balance, and we lost our health, and we will lose our wealth, and finally we become dissolved in the soil and we will die. So I would like to tell you that avoid the wine, avoid the cigarette, avoid the gutkas, avoid the drugs, and avoid the excess use of mobile. Then in this way you can make yourself better. I would like to suggest all of you guys, prayer is a medium through which you can improve your concentration. So in the morning or in the evening you should do prayer and believe in spirituality and pray to the God and go to the temple and do the kirtan bhajan like this. In this way you can also improve your concentration and improve your balance. Then you can also save yourself from the mental disorder or physical disorder. So guys, I hope you better understand why modern guys are getting disturbed themselves. So thanks for watching my video. Have a good day.